BSA A65 Lightning, 1966. Supposedly one owner from new, and now mine. Twin carb, Siamese pipe.
Celebrating women in music, the music they made, and the music that made me. So that's cool. Other things you can really embarrassing. And I remember thinking, I hope no one ever finds out about this. And my next thought was,
Well, that's 60 years of rust and perhaps never being cleaned. Look at this swinging arm. There's nothing holding it, just the grease. Oh, that is. Oh. And the shocks. They are shocking. Yeah. Bit of a mess now. I think I can remember how it goes together. We haven't even touched the engine. Now I'm assuming that this is a original wheel. I see no marking on it, but to me, laced incorrectly. Great big holes, and the spoke seems to be facing that way when it should be going that way. This spoke is up against the drilling. Really, I don't know. Very odd. But it doesn't look like it's been touched. It looks original, but it just looks wrong. It's my spraying room. So we've done a few bits. Not too bad. This is the air filters. So it's the back, and then that's the screw on. Yeah, works well actually. Not the best job in the world. Fast blast at Farnborough. Wouldn't go back. The forks ready for reassembly. All the other coated components. Mudguards are cleaned up, and we've got some new rims. Looking good. Spokes. I don't know how it goes together, but we'll work it out. This was the toolbox. So the hole I'm not going to worry about. I put a bung, but it was very pitted. So we filled it, blasted it. We'll have a go at trying to make it look good. Next thing is the oil tank. I'm not quite sure how to approach that. So the tool holder has come on. Filled and primed.
we know Richie Sunak was a cricket fan, so England fast bowler James Anderson has been given a
Oil
nice
tank.
list of resignation honours. Also, James Cleverley, Jeremy Hunt, Grant Shapps.
So we're ready to start on the A65. Putting bits in, just getting bits ready on the frame. It's a rough old frame, really rough, but it's nicely coated. Well, no, it's coated. It's not very nicely coated. Yeah, let's get working. New set of bearings. The bottom yoke. Cleaned out the stanchion holes. New set of bearings. So I can't hold the camera, so you won't be able to watch it go in. So that's a test fit, and there it is. Feels okay. Plenty of grease. So I don't know whether to put the yoke on now, top yoke, or whether to take the nut off again, yoke on, nut through. Difficult to know. We'll give it a test. So the yoke fits on quite easily over that, but what I did forget was the dust cap. So I need to unscrew that again, dust cap on, then yoke on top. Well, the forks are now on, and it's taken me a couple of hours in actual fact. It's quite a long job. The difficulty was getting the the stanchions into the yokes, but you had to push against a spring, and of course every time you pushed against there the stanchion would slide back down. So in the end what I decided to do is I compressed the springs with cable ties. It allowed me to present that up, and then, believe it or not, even in the manual it says you get a bit of broom handle, taper it, push it into the stanchion, screw it down, and then pull it back up again. It's fantastic, and it works. So they're on. Got to take the screws, tighten them up, fill them up with oil. Hopefully they won't leak too much. Yeah, we're away. Even remembered to put the gaiters on. Fantastic. Wow, what a job. Good fun. But we got the frame coated. Lots of bolts plated. Whether they're right or not, I don't know. Some of them are black, but they look okay silver. But we've done the wheels. So new Jones rims, spoked, powder coated hubs. It's all in, it's nice. And then we've done the back one here as well, and I've just fitted the extremely cheap classic Selness tyres. They look okay. This is not going to do 1,000,000 miles, and it's not going to do 100 miles an hour. So I think these would be fine for the few trips it would take out. So we're assembling parts now and getting all put together. Engine's still in a state of half done, but the head's been reset. New springs in here. Recut the valves in. I've done a test on them and they don't seem to leak. Put some petrol in the heads, that's good. Yeah, new points and condensers set up. So I hope I've got these right, but they're looking okay. We'll get those in soon. And coming together well, in actual fact. Forks are being rebuilt. Got to see that properly. Next thing is probably to start on the wiring loom to lay it in, to get it set. So I'm going to make that. Bought some wires, crimping tool, and it ain't that complicated. It's only got 2 lights, an ammeter, an off and on switch, and a couple of coils. That's about it. So we should be able to do that. So going to attempt to first and try to make a loom. I've got the wiring bits coming in and I've laid this out. It's a right mess. I mean, look at this. Black to green, yellow to green, it's a blue to blue, blue to yellow, green to brown. I don't know how they've made it like this. I can't believe it's original. So I've cut the loom in half. So this goes to the rear, this section, And then on this board, I've made the rear section so it comes in here to the Zener and then round where the rectifier is, etc. So I'm going to keep it split in the middle and put a 3-pin connector so that can sit under here, so it'll make it easy to install and put together. So we'll see, should be fun.